It wasn't all that long ago we heaped praise on the Samsung's Phoenix in the its gorgeous design, impressive screen, and powerful processor set a high bar that few phones have been able to match. Samsung's next worthy challenger has an entirely different aim. The S8 Active is a ruggedized and reinforced smartphone built to withstand the elements and exclusive to the AT&T network. So how does the S8 Active measure up to the plain old Galaxy S8? In our Samsung Galaxy Active review, we found that it delivers on its promises, but at the cost of durability and design. The Galaxy S8 Active doesn't look like your average S-series smartphone. It's more like a bulked-up second cousin who spent the summer deadlifting. Like any bodybuilder worth his salt, the Active's ruggedized exterior. The S8 Active trades the S8's fragile glass and metal body for reinforced plastic. A thick casing extends the length of its edges, and shock-absorbent bumpers jut out from all four corners. The S8 Active trades its predecessor's physical home button for a virtual one, and squeezes an iris scanner, front camera, earpiece, and notification LED into a narrow top bezel above the screen. The phone's sides and back are consistent with the ruggedized aesthetic. The power button is on the right side, opposite the volume rocker and Bixby button on the left, and exposed screws on the top and bottom hold the single bottom firing speaker, SIM tray, headphone jack, and USB-C port in place. On the S8 Active's back, cushiony foam makes ample room for the camera, flash, and fingerprint sensor. The industrial look and feel won't appeal to everybody, but we liked the heft and grippiness of the S8 Active's soft touch body. Weight-wise, the S8 Active, 208 grams, didn't feel that much heavier than the S8, 155 grams, and S8 Plus, 173 grams. And despite the S8 Active's thickness and necessity on account of its large battery, it wasn't noticeably less comfortable in the hand than the Galaxy S8. We actually came to prefer the S8 Active's flat screen to the Galaxy S8's curves. The S8 Active's 5.8-inch touchscreen shares the same characteristic blacks, wide viewing angles, and vibrant colors as the Galaxy S8. It carries the same HDR Premium certification too, which means greater color volume for high dynamic range HDR content, but the S8 Active's